Technology made this world really a stage. Like a lot of people using a lot of platforms, they're performing, they're going to another level, they're getting fame out of it, like viral videos, everything. Like if you get a chance to promote any of your hidden talents, like which none of us or any of your fans, we really actually don't know. So which will be it? Like,
wow, I'm not a man of so many talents, but I can
we
do
all
this.
know you are extremely talented.
Thank you, but that's just the acting part. But I know how to do this. Not many people know that I do this.
Awesome. That was really great. I'll come to you again.
It wasn't that great also.
No, that was great.
You carry all these things with you.
No, I have one more question to you. That is, like, I still remember when I got my first computer or my first phone. I still remember. Like, do you have any gadgets, like you, whether emotions is there and why? Like, you remember any particular incident or gadgets, like, related to emotions and all?
Yeah, I think, when you break a gadget, like, more or less you break your phone all the time. You drop it, the screen cracks, and it's quite a task to, transfer all your messages, pictures, notes to a new phone. But now today, because of technology, it's so easy, you can just do it via the laptop. But no, I've been quite careful. I haven't broken many things.
Okay, that's great. Now I'll come to, because we are at Reliance Digital, so we are going to talk about Jagga Jasoos in the context of technology, as I said. And we all heard that it's a musical film, right? So please say something about it.
I think we've said enough for the last 2 weeks. There's nothing much left to say about it. But yes, it's out now in 2 days. Like you can see these amazing gentlemen carrying the 2 days to go Jagga Jasoos poster. Extremely excited. It's a musical, it's an adventure film, and अभी Friday को पता चलेगा.
रणबीर, आपकी और कटरीना की जोड़ी जो है वाकई हिट तो है ही है, लेकिन क्योंकि ये फिल्म म्यूजिकल है, इससे हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि आपकी और प्रीतम दा की जो जोड़ी है वो भी एक सुपर हिट है. क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस पर?
Well, मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ. आई थिंक जो भी मेरे हिट फिल्में हैं, प्रीतम दादा का बहुत बड़ा हाथ है उसमें. आई थिंक जो म्यूज़िक उन्होंने मुझे दिया है, उसकी वजह से फिल्म खुली है. जो एक्साइटमेंट हुई है फिल्म की, वो बहुत उनकी वजह से हुई है. तो मैं उनको बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करता हूँ, बहुत ग्रेटफुल भी हूँ. एंड विद जगह जासूस अगेन वी हैव कंप्लीटेड आई थिंक हमारा 7th या 8th फिल्म टुगेदर. वो अयान की फिल्म में भी म्यूज़िक दे रहे हैं. सो आई हैव अ लॉन्ग जर्नी विद हिम एंड आई एम जस्ट वांट टू से अ बिग थैंक यू एंड अ शाउट आउट एंड अ लॉट ऑफ लव टू प्रीतम दादा.
कटरीना, आपसे भी एक सवाल है कि ये फिल्म तो आप कर ही रही है, ब्लॉकबस्टर लग रही है फिल्म. क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप? रणबीर के साथ आपकी जोड़ी, क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
आपकी मुंह में घी शक्कर. That's what I have to say. We're really hoping. I think it's been 3 years of a long journey, a lot of hard work. Anurag Basu has worked, I mean, it's the only thing he's done in the last 3 years. He's come up with a spectacular vision. Me and Ranbir have worked as hard as we possibly can, put all of our love and our efforts into the film. So we just are praying now that come Friday, which is 2 days away, that the audience is with us and supports us.
जैसे आलोक, जैसे तू जानता है कि रिलीज के पहले सबकी हवा टाइट हो जाती है. क्या होगा हमें पता नहीं, क्योंकि
ये फोन है या कॉफी है? कॉफी है. नहीं गुमा, हाँ फोन है, ठीक है.
हाँ, तो हवा टाइट है, लेकिन वही अच्छी बात है. आई थिंक ये जो फीलिंग होती है रिलीज के पहले, इट मेक्स यू फील अलाइव. इट मेक्स यू फील के थिंग्स मैटर, के इट मैटर्स द फिल्म. अभी कटरीना आज निकल रही है आईफा के लिए, सो वी विल मिस हर इन द नेक्स्ट 2 days, बट शी इज गोइंग एंड स्प्रेडिंग द वर्ड इन अमेरिका. बट लेट्स सी, फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड. दिस 3.5 साल की मेहनत, जो लेबर ऑफ लव है, ये आज फाइनली 2 दिन में निकलने वाली है.
Ranbir, hi. Ranbir, hi. This is Priyanka. Recently,
Where are you from, Priyanka?
Indian Express.
Hi.
Hi. So Salman has decided to compensate distributors for tube light loss. So as a producer, do you believe in that?
अरे पहले फिल्म तो रिलीज होने दे यार. प्रॉफिट लॉस के बारे में बात कर रही है.
But as a producer, do you think that that's unfair, or do you think that that should be done?
It's been going on since years. My grandfather was a producer from 1950. And I think that whole home style of making films where everybody should make money, not just the producer, the distributor, the exhibitor, So it's a very healthy exercise, you know, when somebody loses money on something where you have kind of made money on, it's very good to compensate. It's a healthy exercise, but like I said, it's from person to person, from film to film. But yes, I've been hearing this from my grandfather's time, you know, when his films like Mera Naam Joker, they all didn't work and distributors had heavy losses. So when he released his film after that, Bobby, he gave more of a percentage to the distributors and exhibitors. So there was a sense of balance in it. So it's a very healthy exercise.
Ranbir, hi. Katrina, hi. This is Ankita from Republic. First of all, 2 days to go for Jagga Jasu. So, all the best and congratulations. I think movie will be a hit, of course. My question is a bit different, of course. And the question is, it is really important for us to know that the question is on Amarnath attack, terror attack. And Hello? All right. Okay. So we as Indians are uniting and for victims and for supporting them. So we really want you to know, I mean, we really want your answer and your reactions on this, that the terror attack which has happened, what would you like to say?
Well, first of all, we condemn this. It's a total act of horror. Condolences to the families and the victims. But please let us know what you're doing, through Republic. If we can help in any way.
We actually have launched a campaign that is India for Amarnath.
Okay, I will contact you. I will try and contribute as much as I can. But yes, I think these times like this where the country has to unite, people from every strata of society, everyone comes together. Because it is the evil. I don't understand what is the gain out of it, why people do it. It is the worst side of a human being. And yeah, it's very shameful, that it's happening within our world.